So now I'm going for a little drive. So let's see if you can still hear me when I'm going. I hope there's not too much wind noise. And I will go inside Rajabat University, drive around there. Because it's a really beautiful area. And it's a really big area. There's a lot of things to explore. So let's have a look, shall we? So I'm turning right. We live very close to Rajabat University, as you can see. And now we're inside the compound. And I can go straight. Let's try that. And on the left we have Faculty of Education in the blue building here. And there's a lake on the right. And then we have a big lake on the left, where I usually walk around with my son. Let's do a left turn. Because you can drive kind of halfway around the lake. So the lake is here on the right. Beautiful. It's better early morning or late afternoon. The light is more soft. Yeah, I'm really wondering how much wind noise there's going to be from this microphone, this headset. Nobody is walking around the lake right now, which I understand perfectly. It's too hot now. It's actually nice to drive around for a change, because we're always walking around. Yes, this area is huge. Let's see what we got here. On the left we have Rang Hill behind the trees here. So I'm very close to Phuket town as well. Let's go left. This building is Phuket Ratchabat University. I don't know exactly what that building is. Maybe it says on the other side. I've been here with my son as well. We can go left. Okay. I don't know that much Thai. Can't read it. Okay. This is the Faculty of Humanities and Social Sciences. Cool. I like that. That is very cool. I got a basketball court there. What is down here? Just a closed or dead end. Alright, I'm gonna make a U-turn here. Can I turn around? I can turn around. Okay, I can turn around. Okay. There's a gate there, so some of it is closed because it's Saturday. Let's go right then. Yeah, so the university is closed today, which is good for me, so there's not so much traffic. I really like to use colors here, huh? Sifa, light blue, nice. What else we got? A little klung here. Klung is Thai word for creek. Another blue building here. Now we're at the edge of the university. So if I go left, I go out. Let's continue straight. And that's, if I pick up my son, I usually come back this way. There's a Cafe Amazon inside the compound. I think this way, when we go back to our house, is actually very idyllic, very picturesque. Especially this little lake here on the left. It's so beautiful in the morning, right there on the left. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? And then we continue. It's a winding road here. Solar cells. Good idea. There should be much more setups of solar cells in Thailand. We got so much sun. It is ideal conditions in Thailand, except for the 3 months where it's raining really hard, like September, October, November. So the rainy season hasn't started yet. Outsiders are prohibited from entering. Okay. That building, it's funny because they say it's written deep sea. Okay. Deep sea, or, yeah, deep sea, I think. Yeah. So normally the rainy season starts next month. Now it's what, 21st of March. So rainy season is getting closer. Usually starts around Songkran, which is the water festival, or the Thai New Year, around 10 to 13 April, if I'm correct. Or is it 13 it starts? There's a pink building here on the right. Okay. Let's go left. And I'm going back. This is a nice little getaway. We're gonna buy a couple of bicycles soon, so we can drive around in here with our bicycles. I love the bougainvilleas. Look at that. Oh my god. They get so much sun. That's why they have so many flowers. I am jealous. Mine don't have any flowers at the moment. Look at that. God. And then this funny building here. I think everybody would like to work there or study there. Ice cream technology laboratory building. Wow. How cool is that? And food technology program there. They got some cool topics here. And down here is fisheries technology. Also a cool topic. I like that. Hmm. Aquaculture. Nice. Oh, the bougainvilleas. I love you. You're beautiful. My God. Ah, pigeons. We have a lot of fish in this lake also. There's some really big catfish and carps. Koi carps also. You know the koi carps that are red and white. They're supposed to be very expensive, but here they have them. Okay. Nice. So, then I go home. So you can see we literally live in the backyard of the Rajabat University. 5 minutes, we're there. I have an issue with my scooter at the moment. That is, I need to get the rear disc brake pads changed. Because when I'm braking, you can hear this sound, like a scoring sound, like metal against metal. That's not a good sign. The front brake is fine. And I tried to fix it myself, but there's one bolt I can't get it loose. It's a clamp on the exhaust pipe. That bolt going through there, and it's impossible to get to. So I guess I have to let Sanders fix it. It should cost around, we asked already, should cost around 1500 baht. But I like to make things myself. That would only cost me 500 baht. But, oh well, it's not too bad. That's it, folks.